Now let's go with a recap for the previous class, what we have done it. In the previous class, in the coordinate geometry, we have gone through several small topics. Now what it was, number one we have done it, that was a distance formula. Distance formula. Now what in the distance formula, what we have done it, distance between the points A, coordinates given as x1 y1 and B with x2 y2 was given as D is equal to, D stands for the distance, or AB for the distance, okay, and it was square root for x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So this we have done in the distance formula. After that we have gone through number 2, that was section formula. Section formula. Now in the section formula, it was when a line segment is divided in between, because we have done only in the internal part, okay, then how to proceed it, that was in the section formula. So in the section formula we have gone the coordinates of a point dividing the line segment joining the points. Say we are having A, x1 y1 and B with x2 y2 and the point C with x comma y. Internally in the ratio m is to n. Internally in the ratio m is to n. Now what it was? Suppose this is line A and B, and suppose this is point C, and this point is internally in the ratio m to n. Okay, so how to find it? We got for point C, x is equal to, because C and y, x and y are the coordinates for the point C. So it was m x1 plus n m x2 plus n x1 upon m plus n, and y is equal to m y2 plus n y1 upon m plus n. Now if you remember, we have gone through this part, from here to this part and from here to this part. Is it clear? Then number 3 was midpoint formula. Just based on the section formula. Now if m is equal to n, in step 2, okay, if m is equal to 2 into, not step into, in the above case, okay, into means here, okay, if m is equal to n, the coordinates of the midpoint of a line segment joining the points A with x1 y1 and B with x2 y2. It was given by x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2. Now when m is equal to n, it means this m is equal to this n, or we can write m plus m 2m. Okay, so if this is a line, this is point A and B, this is exactly in the middle, so this is one part, this is one part, and both are equal, so that's why m becomes 1, n becomes 1. Okay, so when m is equal to n, we can write it, or when m is equal to n, then the ratio of m upon n is equal to 1. Is it clear? So that's why m is 1, n is 1, so x1 plus x2 upon 2. Now, number 4 we have gone for area of a triangle. Now, if the vertices of a triangle are capital A x1 y1, capital B x2 y2 and capital C x3 y3, then area of a triangle was given by area of triangle ABC is equal to 1 upon 2 with x1 with y2 minus y3 plus x2 with y3 minus y1 plus x3 with y1 minus y2. And from this only single point we can get it. If area of triangle is equal to 0, it means it is not a triangle. Then what it was? The points are collinear. Okay, that was just another form of area of a triangle. And then we have gone with centroid of a triangle. Now here the vertices of a triangle are given with A x1 y1, B x2 y2 and with C x3 y3. Then the centroid, it was given by formula for centroid x1 plus x2 plus x3 upon 3 y1 plus y2 plus y3 upon 3. Okay, then it was in center. In center. Now first of all, let me clarify what is in center. Now the in center was the points or the point of concurrency of the internal bisectors of the angles of triangle ABC with having vertices x1, y1, coordinates of B x2, y2, and coordinates of C x3, y3 was given with A x1 plus B x2 plus C x3 upon A plus B plus C and A y1 plus B y2 plus C y3 upon A plus B plus C, where A, B, C are the lengths of the sides of triangle. Now how come? Now if this is triangle, this is A, B and C. Now using distance formula between B and C, we are getting this as A, this as B and this as C. Okay. So where A, B, C are the lengths of the sides of the triangle, I have just mentioned A will be opposite of capital A will be small a. Okay. So it means BC, length of the BC will be small a, length of AC will be small b and length of AB will be small c, and then we can get a formula for the incenter. So these were all the things which we have done in class 10th, and now we will be going with the analysis